How to edit prices on Printify. Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you want to change the prices on your Printify product, it's very simple. First off, you're going to head on over to your Printify dashboard and then click on My Products. Now, once you go into Product, choose the preferred product you want to change the price on and then scroll to the price section. Now, once you click on the price section, you're going to select the variant you want to change the price for, and then click on Edit Price over here. From here, you can choose to enter a new price, or if you want to focus more on your percentages, then you can edit your profit. So let's say you want a $30 profit, and this will automatically adjust the retail price so that your profit is $30. Or you can also edit your profit margin and choose to edit that. Well, what happens if you have variants of a product? Well, for that situation, you can go into your My Product, and I'll show you guys an example over here. This is another product that we have, and this has multiple different variants. So let's say for standard sizing, I have a singular price, and then for the larger sizes, I might have different prices. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all the variants I want to change the price for. So small, medium, and large, and I'll just click on edit price. And then let's say the new price is $30, and I'll click on apply, and this will be applied to my current variants. Now, for the other variants, I can click on those, and I will go on ahead, and of these particular variants, I can go on ahead and edit the prices like so. And you guys can see if you go into the edit price option on the top, this will update for the entirety of your variants. So keep in mind that if you have an individual variant that you want to have at a different price point, you need to alter that separately. So once you have completed that, you can save those products as a draft or just click on publish again to have the updated prices listed on your stores. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.